Okay, next one topic is the complement of a function. Okay, so the complement of a function can be represented as the f bar. Suppose the function is f, the complement of f function is f bar. Okay, so how we can obtain the complement of function of the variables is the variables, if you consider the values, will be interchanged. That means zeros can be represented as the ones can be represented as the 0. Okay, already we know that one, that is a complement value is reverse that one value. Okay, so we are consider only the interchanging of actual value. If suppose 0 is there, we can consider 1 is there, we can consider the zeros. Okay, and again the complement of function can be derived, or the expression can be solved by using only the thing is De Morgan's theorem or De Morgan's law. Already I explained in the previous videos what is the De Morgan's theorem. Okay, so by considering those theorems, for example, if you take one example problem, find the complement of the function. Okay, so the function is f1 is equal to x bar y z bar plus x bar y bar z. Okay, so this is the given function. So what we want to do is complement of the function, not the variables. Okay, so the complement of function means how we can represent the complement of function means f1 bar, that is the complement of function. Okay, if you having a bar to the function, then we are having a bar of total problem. Okay, x bar y bar z whole bar. Okay, so if f1 is bar, then total the function will be having a bar. Okay, so again what we want to use to reduce this function means, already I told you that we can apply the De Morgan's theorem. Okay, so what the De Morgan's theorem represent? So here one is the x bar y z bar plus x bar y bar z. Okay, so here we can rewrite this one by using the De Morgan's law. Z bar into, here plus is there, we can have a multiplication x bar y bar z, like this we can write this one. Okay, so bar lo unna a plus b whole bar is equal to a bar into b bar. Okay, already that is the one of the law in the De Morgan's theorem, a bar into b bar. Okay, by using that one. Okay, so we can write this again, we can write this total, it will be in the into, then again we can write this one expression into x bar whole bar plus y bar plus z bar whole bar. Okay, again x bar whole bar plus y bar whole bar plus z bar. Okay, so this is also law, already we know that one, a into b whole bar, a into b whole bar is equal to a bar plus b bar. This is also one of the De Morgan's law. By using that one we can write this one, like this one. Okay, so again x bar whole bar, here two bars are there, x bar whole bar, then the value is x plus y bar plus again z bar whole bar, the value is z. Okay, here also x bar whole bar x plus y plus z bar. Okay, so this is the final one expression. Okay, so this is how we can write this, the total function, the complement of this function will be simplified by using De Morgan's theorem, and this is the final one.